Here's a cold start at a 7.3. Oh, it's locking. Let's see how this baby fires up. This time it's only sat for a couple days. Last time before that it had been started was a 3-year sit. Let's see if we get a wait to start light or anything. No wait to start light. Some kind of relay's gone crazy. Battery gauge is twitching. That's no gas pedal at all. That's impressive. Let's see if we have any smoke back here. Tiny little bit. It's actually quite good. I'm impressed. What's showing up in the camera is exaggerated actually because of the light. That's amazing. A little bit of a funky sound when you shut it off. But I'll take that.